Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use ClickUp automation to send reminders. This is your complete 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to log into your ClickUp account and navigate to the task or project that needs a reminder. The reason we do this is to make sure the reminder is connected to the right tasks and people. Now that we've done that, click on the Automation button on the top right of your screen. This button opens up the Automation panel, where you can set up all kinds of automatic actions, including reminders. In the Automation panel, select Add Automation, and then choose Due Date Reminder from the drop-down menu. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is creating a new automation rule that sends a reminder when a task is getting close to its due date. Next up, customize your reminder. You can set when the reminder should be sent, who should receive it, and what the message should say. This step is crucial because it ensures that the right people get the right message at the right time. After you've set up the reminder details, click Save. ClickUp will now automatically send your reminder according to the settings you've specified. Let me explain why this matters. With this automatic reminder, you don't need to keep track of all the deadlines yourself. ClickUp does it for you, helping you stay organized and efficient. That's it. You've just set up a ClickUp automation to send reminders. With this feature, you can make sure nobody on your team misses a deadline again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.